Today, we're reviewing the new electric toothbrush from h2ofloss. What's up guys, welcome back to gentslounge. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. It really helps us out. We are here every week talking about men's fashion, lifestyle, and today, dental hygiene. Now, about a year ago, h2ofloss sent me over their water flosser to check out and review, and I loved it then. I'm still using it now. So when they asked if I would review their new toothbrush, I said, of course, send it over, let's give it a shot. Now, to be completely honest, I've had the same electric toothbrush for about the past 5 years, so maybe the technology inside here is standard now, but I have never seen anything like this toothbrush. Now, this toothbrush has 6 modes and 2 different ways of brushing your teeth. The first 3 modes are different vibration frequencies, which are pretty standard on most electric toothbrushes, so you can adjust the speed and the feel of the vibrations. But the other 3 modes are something I've never seen before on an electric toothbrush. The head will actually oscillate up and down, side to side, so when you're brushing your teeth, you do not need to kind of do this motion anymore. The toothbrush will actually do it for you, so it makes it a lot easier to get into those hard to reach places and those hard to brush places. So to choose the mode that you want to brush in, all you need to do is touch this button right here and hold for about 2 to 3 seconds. And once you're holding the button down, it will start to oscillate between the 6 different modes. And once you find the mode you like, all you have to do is let go, and it will be in that mode for the rest of the time. Now, another thing that is insanely cool about this toothbrush is that it automatically senses when you're touching it to your teeth. So if you've ever had an electric toothbrush before, put some toothpaste on and accidentally turned it on before you put it in your mouth, you know that toothpaste and water will spray all over your bathroom, and your wife won't be too happy about it. So all you need to do is, once you have toothpaste on the toothbrush, is just touch it to your teeth, and it will turn on and off while you touch to your teeth. That's so cool. Now, if that wasn't cool enough, there's more technology in here as well. So once you're brushing your teeth and the toothbrush is on, it has a smart pressure sensor built in. So if you press too hard, this light on the back here will turn red, and it will automatically adjust the vibrations to how much pressure you are putting on your teeth. This toothbrush comes with the base, 2 replaceable heads, and a charging cable. To charge the toothbrush, all you need to do is pop this open here on the bottom, plug in your USB-C, and let it charge. Now, you will not have to worry about charging all that often because the battery will last approximately 90 days. So you only have to charge about 4 times a year. Also built into the toothbrush is a brushing timer. So once you start brushing your teeth, every 30 seconds there will be a slight pause to let you know to switch the quadrants of your mouth, and after 2 minutes, it will automatically turn off. Now, I don't normally get excited about dental products, but this is the coolest toothbrush I've ever seen. 6 different modes, 2 different brushing options, a head that oscillates 60 degrees, a smart sensor that tells you when you're brushing too hard, a timer that tells you how long to brush your teeth. h2ofloss has seriously thought of everything. So if you're in the market for a new toothbrush, or if your current toothbrush is not packed with technology like this thing is, I will have a link in the description down below to check out the electric toothbrush from h2ofloss. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.